Open it, baby, first.
I need bows. Oh,
Okay, come here and I'll help you.
okay. So the open it. Oh.
Here, you hold this.
Okay.
Look at your video. See what you're watching.
Okay, I will see what it is. And this is it. Present right here. Santa present of stars on it.
Oh, you leave the bow. Just open it, babe.
Let's see what it is.
Let's see what it is.
Oh, I need help.
You're doing great. Use two hands. Let me see.
This is a Santa present.
Okay, can you do it now?
Okay.
I have a buddy in town from San Diego.
Well, hat.
That's a cool hat.
I'll
Wow, you want to wear it?
Yes. That's a
Okay.
beautiful.
Harley, go, go.
It's a beautiful hat.
Okay.
We'll go wear it tomorrow.
Let me see for 1 second. Oh, let me see. And then there she was. Look at that girl. Oh. Look what else is in here.
Yeah, back.
A panda backpack? What can you put in there?
I can't see what it is.
No, what could you put in there?
And this is the panda bear.
Rah.
I mean, so
I think that might just be stuffing to keep it nice and fluffy, baby. What do you say? What do you say?
thank you.
Thank you to who?
Really.
Thank you, Reese and Riley, and who else? Nana, and who else?
And
There you go. Thank you, guys. Love you. Bye.